Like, I would not have finished my dissertation had I not attended like a lot of her retreats. So I went to the retreat to get like away and focus totally on the dissertation.
And I just knew then that, hey, I'm due for a break. I really don't know what I'm writing. Yeah, I'm going to do this. Let's go.
The writing retreat becomes a space where you're given permission. So it's a space where you're held in safety, you're nurtured, you're given feedback, but you're with other people, you're not alone.
Immediately, everyone was so welcoming of the next person. There was no judgment, there was no competition.
I also have a commitment to people who are minoritized. So those people are even further isolated because there are less of them that look like them in academia. They may not have had role models that gave them permission to really speak authentically from where they're at. They might have learned to silence themselves over and over again. If you've known that this is not safe for you to speak, then there's a distance between what you think and what you produce.
We were all experiencing the same thing. And so that was exciting.
A huge part of the retreat is very organic. A lot of free time for people to engage in their own writing. And then the rest of the stuff was happening on its own. But the trick to some of what I do is to select a place that is also an inspiration for writing. So the space has to be expansive.
The ultimate goal that we had, the common thread, was develop our writing and get something accomplished with the writing. But you get so much more from it.
The last day I asked them to write a letter to themselves, reminding them how they feel right now and how confident they feel, how strong they feel as a writer. And then 3 months later, I had mailed it to them, their own writing to themselves, so they could see that, because life would happen and they would forget that that's how they felt.
If you want to get your PhD dissertation completed, this retreat is for you.
It's Britt.